Hello little stars, welcome to our colorful world. Today we will learn 8 amazing colors with fun objects and activities. Are you ready? Let's say
Yay!
red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, black. Let's start our first color. Red. This is the color red. Spell it with me. R-E-D, red. A red apple. A red balloon. A red car. And a red cherry. Red is a dark and bright color. Hey kids, laugh with me. Blue. This is the color blue. Spell it. B-L-U-E, blue. Look, a blue ball. A blue cup. A blue bird. And a blue kite. Blue is cool and calm color. Look, a flying blue bird. Flap your hands. Wow, you can fly high in the blue sky. Yellow. Here comes yellow, the happy color. Spell it. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Look, a yellow sun. A yellow banana. A yellow pencil. And yellow cheese. Yellow is light and sweet. Let's smile like the yellow sun. Show your biggest smile. Green. Now we have green. Spell it. G-R-E-E-N, green. Look kids, a green leaf. A green frog. A green apple. And a green tree. Hop like a green frog. You look like a funny little frog. Orange. This is orange. So bright and warm color. Spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Look, an orange fruit. Orange carrot. Orange toy. And orange goldfish. Look, an orange. Now say, orange is yummy. Next is purple, a royal color. Spell it. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Look, purple grapes. Purple flowers. Purple bag. And a purple heart. Clap your hands like a butterfly. Wow, what a beautiful butterfly you are. Pink. Here comes pink. Soft and sweet. Spell it. P-I-N-K, pink. Look, pink candy. Pink flower. Pink dress. And pink donut. Jump like a pink bunny. Yeah, you are a cute little bunny. Black. This is the color black. Spell it. B-L-A-C-K, black. Look, a black cat. A black mouse. A black gorilla. And a black tire. Black is a dark and strong color. You learned 8 beautiful colors today. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink and black. You are a color star. Clap for yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning with me.